Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the delicious combination of seasonal sea urchin and flathead mullet from Korea's east coast. We'll explore the rich history of flathead mullet, its price and peak season, and the best ways to enjoy it, especially when paired with sea urchin. Let's dive in. The history and characteristics of flathead mullet. Flathead mullet is a traditional Korean fish, especially renowned in the Mokpo area of the West Coast. It has been a staple in Korean cuisine for generations. Originally found in East Asian rivers and lakes, this fish is prized for its rich and deep flavor, which is even more pronounced when caught from the clear waters of the West Coast. Flavor profile and cooking methods for flathead mullet. Flavor profile. Flathead mullet is known for its delicate and clean flavor. With a lower fat content, it offers a light and fresh taste. Because of this, it's often enjoyed cooked rather than raw. Flathead mullet jun. The best way to enjoy flathead mullet is in the form of jun, Korean-style pancake. The crispy exterior and tender inside make it a delightful treat that highlights the fish's subtle flavors. Flathead mullet soup. Another great option is soup. A stew made with flathead mullet provides a rich, clear broth with a deep, savory flavor, perfect for warming up on a cool day. Flathead mullet sashimi. While not as fatty as other sashimi options, flathead mullet can still be enjoyed raw. However, it's often paired with the fish's roe, the beret, which is traditionally dipped in salt and oil, providing a richer taste. Sea urchin and flathead mullet combination. Sea urchin, particularly the purple sea urchin, from the East Coast, is in season during the summer months from June to August. It's known for its creamy, rich flavor. Prices vary based on season and quality, but generally range from 70,000 to 150,000 KRW per kilogram. Flathead mullet. The best time to enjoy flathead mullet is from June to September. During this peak season, the fish is freshest and most flavorful. Prices typically range from 50,000 to 100,000 KRW per kilogram, depending on market conditions and availability. The perfect pairing. Sea urchin on flathead mullet sashimi. When you top fresh flathead mullet sashimi with sea urchin, the result is an incredible fusion of flavors. The delicate, clean taste of the mullet pairs beautifully with the sea urchin's creamy richness. The sea urchin adds a luxurious texture and depth, enhancing the light and fresh profile of the mullet. Together, they offer a mouth-watering combination of sea flavors that's both indulgent and satisfying. How to enjoy. 1. Sea urchin. Enjoy sea urchin as is or with a pinch of salt. Its natural, briny sweetness is best appreciated in its pure form. 2. Flathead mullet. For the most flavorful experience, try the mullet as jun or in a hearty soup. Don't forget to taste the roe with salt and oil for an extra burst of flavor. The combination of sea urchin and flathead mullet is a delightful way to experience Korea's summer seafood at its best. Make sure to try this amazing pairing during the season. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.